Boys and girls, we're on page 187, perimeter of a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral having opposite sides that are parallel. And this is one of the figures that we learned when we were studying the first part of geometry. Finding the perimeter of a parallelogram is exactly like finding the perimeter of a rectangle because opposite sides are the same. You have two lengths and you have two widths. Now the difference in a parallelogram is that it has the height, and to find the area you have to find a 90-degree angle here, a line that is perpendicular. So this line E is perpendicular here. So this is going to be your height, and they're always going to give you the height. The base will serve as your length. So you just have to remember base is the bottom, base times height. So if our base were going to be 9 feet and our height was going to be 4 feet, then we could say area equals base times height. Area equals 9 times our height, which is 4, and our area would be 36 square feet. All right, if you will look now in your books on page 187, if you will look at the class practice, it's going to ask you to fill in your formulas for each of your figures. You have a rectangle, which is perimeter. The area is length times width. On number B, the area of a square, remember what we said, is A equals S squared. You can write it like this. Area equals S squared. The first one was area of a rectangle, which is length times width. So that was the first two. The next one is area of a parallelogram. You're going to fill in area equals base times height. Base times height. I want you to continue with this page on 187. Remember, you're saying base times height if you're doing a parallelogram.